Hello everyone and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch. Today is Wednesday now, the 22nd of August, and this Daily Trade Watch is brought to you by the Live Trade Room. So just before we get into the charts then, if we could draw your attention to our risk warning, please do familiarize yourselves, of course, with the risks involved in trading these markets. Okay, so let's get straight in and discuss some what we call high probability trading opportunities for the day ahead. So without further ado, let's get up our trading platform. Really, we've only identified two significant opportunities. We've seen a significant late day reversal in many of the dollar pairs over the latter part of yesterday's trading. Now, one relatively high probability trading opportunity is the potential to sell the dollar Swiss below the 98.42. Now, the only thing we want to draw your attention to is the potential for some support around the 97.90 level, but you would benefit from the best part of 50 pips move to the downside. The reason for that trade is a series of sideways moving markets for a long period of time, going back to sort of mid-June, and we're getting a little bit of a break to the downside below these structures here. So actually the bias can now shift to the downside, which is why we're looking at today's daily low. We want to see that continuation carry through. We don't want this market reversing back above the weekly low of the 98.56, as you can see up on screen. So we just need to we are trading summer markets right now, so be a little bit more cautious than normal, perhaps maybe even reduce down your risk as a result. So this is the dollar Swiss, 98.42, and we'd expect this market to continue lower if we get some continuation below that 98.42. So looking across the range of markets that we look to focus on, the only other market that we're potentially going to look at tomorrow is the FTSE 100. Now, again, this comes with a little bit of a caveat. Look at the price action which we've experienced for most of the summer. We are still at similar prices that we were in June, again, kind of mid-June time. So not an awful lot has changed effectively between the 77.93 and the 74.72 level. But we are, as things currently stand, likely to see a little bit of continuation move over to the downside. Certainly, if we get a little bit of just even short-term selling coming into the equity story, a little bit of a risk-off approach, and then it might give us an opportunity to sell this particular market down to something like 74.72. So again, it might just give you a short-term opportunity to push this price lower. Especially when we look at the pound dollar, and certainly if we get continuation to the upside in the pound dollar, if we get prices just pushing higher tomorrow, it might give you more of an intraday opportunity to capitalize on that over the course of the day. So just to recap then, we are suggesting a sell below the 98.42 in the dollar Swiss, and the FTSE market. We are looking at a break below yesterday's low in around the 75.50 level, so somewhere below the 75.48, and we'll see if we can capitalize. And please do your due diligence. Please obviously protect your capital at all times. So that just about concludes today's daily trade watch. So all that's left for me to do now is to obviously thank you for joining us, and please do feel free to connect with us through our YouTube channel, which is at the Live Trade Room, all one word, so you can join us for that. We do go live every day with some live trade rooms there for you at 8 a.m. and 1 p.m. Daily, so hopefully you can join us for that. And also connect with us through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. The details are all there up on screen. So thank you very much for joining us. Do take care, and we look forward to seeing you next time. From everyone here at the Live Trade Room, bye for now.